Yes, friends, how are you? How's your life going on? Today we are going to talk about conditional sentences. Conditional sentences. Okay, so we have to talk about conditional sentences today. Okay, so first of all, we will talk about if condition. If condition. Okay, we will pay attention to if condition. Okay, if I write a sentence, if you work hard, you will pass. If you work hard, you will pass. Okay, यदि तुम मेहनत करोगे तुम पास हो जाओगे. Okay, if it rains, he will not come on time. Okay, if it rains, okay, he will not come on time. Okay, next, if he runs fast, he will reach in time. Okay, if he runs fast, he will reach in time. If it rains, he will not come on time. If you work hard, he will pass. Okay, so this is if condition. Okay, if we talk about next part of if condition. Okay, suppose that if you heat ice, it turns to water. Okay, if you heat ice, okay, it turns to water, right? If you boil water, it turns to vapors. Okay. If you boil water, it turns to vapors. Okay. So we can present if condition in this way. Okay, if you heat ice, okay, it turns to water. If you boil water, it turns to vapors. Okay, next, if plus subject plus verb second. Okay, subject plus would plus verb first form, right? Suppose that if you worked hard, you would pass in the examination. Okay, if you worked hard, okay, you would pass in the examination. Okay, or we can also say that if I had a book, I would give it to you. यदि मेरे पास बुक होती तो मैं आपको देता. यदि तुमने मेहनत की होती तो तुम एग्जाम में पास हो जाते, राइट? So next condition, if plus subject plus had plus verb third form plus, we can write here, subject plus would have plus verb third form plus object. If plus subject plus had plus verb third form, subject plus would have plus V third plus object. Okay. So यदि वो मेरे पास आता तो मैं उसकी सहायता करता. Okay. यदि वो मेरे पास आता तो मैं उसकी सहायता करता. If he had come to me, I would have helped him. Okay. If he had come to me, I would have helped him. Okay. यदि वे मुझे बुलाती तो मैं कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित होता. Okay. If she had invited me, I would have joined the program. Okay. Yeah, I would have joined the function. Or I would have attended the function. Okay. So if plus subject plus verb second, subject plus would plus verb first form. If you worked hard, you would pass in the examination. If I had a book, I would give it to you. यदि मेरे पास किताब होती तो मैं आपको दे देता. Next condition, this one. Okay. If plus subject plus had plus verb third form, subject plus would have plus V third plus object. यदि वो मेरे पास आता तो मैं उसकी मदद करता. If he had come to me, I would have helped him. Okay. यदि वो मुझे बुलाती तो मैं function join करता. Okay. If she had invited me, I would have joined the function. Okay. Next condition. Let's talk about until or unless condition. Until and unless. Okay. Until condition. See. Until condition ये समय सूचक है. Okay. ये शर्त सूचक होती है. Okay. Wait for me until I come back. Wait for me until I come back. Okay. So wait for me until I come back. Okay. If we talk about unless, work hard unless you pass the examination. Okay. Work hard unless you pass the examination. Okay. You cannot get your goal until you work hard. Okay. You cannot get your goal until you work hard. Okay. So we have to find out the error. This sentence is right or wrong. Okay. You cannot get your goal until you work hard. Okay. I told you that until क्या है ये समय सूचक है और unless क्या है शर्त सूचक है. Okay. So we have to use unless here. Okay. You cannot get your goal unless you work hard. Okay. So we have to remove the error. Okay. Until will not come over here. Right. So and one more thing, if we use until or unless, okay, we will not use not. Okay. हम इसमें ये until और unless, okay, ये negative sense देते हैं तो हम not का use नहीं करेंगे. Okay. आप मेरा इंतजार कीजिए जब तक मैं वापस नहीं आ जाता. Okay. So until I come back. Okay. मेहनत कीजिए जब तक आप एग्जाम पास नहीं कर लेते. Work hard unless you pass the exam. You cannot get your goal until you work hard. Okay. Sorry, you cannot get your goal unless you work hard. Okay. So friends, this is all about conditional sentences. Okay, we discussed about if condition. Okay, we discussed about until or unless condition. Okay, we discussed if plus subject plus verb second and subject plus would plus first form. We discussed if plus subject plus had plus V3 and subject plus would have plus V3. Okay, so I hope you must have got knowledge. Okay, thank you very much.